It's February 7th, 2019. I'll send this video to the Rock Auto guys, maybe the Monroe guys, to see what they think. It's regarding a QuickStrut 172604. It's a passenger side on a 2011 Nissan Maxima Sport. There's the box. You can see the box is a little bigger than the strut. Didn't come with inside support, so that was kind of odd, but that created any problems. So the driver's side went in fine. I did not use the bolts they sent, which I probably should have, I guess. Use the ones that came on it, just because I wanted to stick with the factory. They are a little bit shorter. A little bit kind of ugly looking, but not really worn. They had good threads. This one started spinning and wouldn't tighten. I was doing it by hand, not using a power tool. Did need to use a M12 side or power ratchet to get this thing off. It's completely stripped. So that side, one of the three, this is the one that I have marked with the lines here. I did go through with a thread chaser, M8 by 1.25, and I don't know how good that is getting. It looks good. Okay, there we go. I got some zoom. Try and get the zoom back. It's just not wanting to focus. There we go. So that's one where I had problems. That's one that I didn't have problems. That's another one where I did not have problems. On the bottom, let's put a line. See if we can get threads. So this is one where it did not, or it's stripped. It's not like a good way to see it all the way in there. There's the other. So the threads are definitely better on the other two. What happens when I go to tighten the bolt until the threads get all the way through the bottom? I can probably demonstrate that here. I use one good bolts. Just rolling. It's not making this easier. Come on. It's actually a good view of the threads. A little bit hard on the top. It wiggles. It's hard to see. I'm going to try to hold this. We've got this strut out about that much thread. I guess it's still loose. Shit. Didn't seem loose before. Okay. So at this point, it seems tight. And I can tighten this down all the way. But it's just slightly loose compared to the other two. That worries me just because of the bouncing and everything that'll happen. So anyways, I'm going to call and just see, can I get a new top plate, put it on myself? Could it be replaced under warranty? Should I use it as is? Should I tap it out to an M10? I don't know, but my wife, kids, granddaughter, so just want to make sure it gets done right. And like I said, first side went in fine. This side seemed to go in, but then it's stripped and was just spinning. I was using hand tools, just a ratcheting wrench, so it wasn't even being overly torqued or anything. But anyways, thank you.